Frogs. They are amphibians which can survive in water as well as on land. They are from phylum Chordata of the class Amphibia. Morphology. Their skin is always moist, covered over by mucus. Their dorsal side is olive green in color with presence of dark spots. They absorb water through the skin, and their whole body, as you can see in the diagram, can be divided into two parts, head and trunk. And also frogs, they do not have any constant body temperature. Their body temperature changes as per the external environment present. Anatomy. Let us see the alimentary canal or the digestive system of frog in the diagram. Esophagus, gallbladder, liver, lungs, stomach, kidney, ureter, intestine and rectum. The HCl and gastric juices from stomach wall helps in digestion. Digestive system is well developed. Respiration. It shows two type of respiration. On land, respiration occurs through lungs and skin, whereas in case of water or aquatic environment, respiration occurs through skin. It has closed circulatory system, blood composed of plasma, RBC and WBC. Lymphatic system is also present. Heart is three-chambered. Excretory system. They are ureotelic, that is, they excrete urea. Kidney, ureter and urethra is present. Endocrine plus neural system comprises of their sensory or central nervous system. They also have PNS and ANS, that is peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system. They have got sense to touch, see, taste and smell. Reproductive system, you can see in the diagram, they are dioecious. Two or sexes are distinctly separated and well developed. In case of male reproductive system, vasa efferentia, which are 10 to 12 in number, are present. Testes, adrenal gland and urinogenital duct is present. In case of female reproductive system, oviduct, ovary, ova, ureter and cloacal apparatus is present. Fertilization is external in aquatic medium, and it is usually seen that first larval stage come, which is known as tadpole, which results into the formation of an adult frog. Frogs are also responsible to maintain ecological balance as they eat insects and hence protects the crops.